Hello everyone, this is Daniel. Today I'm going to teach how to play the chords of 流星雨. So before we started to learn the chords, remember to put your capo on the 4th fret of guitar so we can fit the key of that song. Okay, then let's get started. So the first chord will be C major. Okay, and then the second chord will be G. So for the G chord, you will have to play the first string with your pinky. That will be a little bit hard to stand, but make sure to stand on the string so it will sound good. Okay, so we are going to play the C chord 4 beat and the G chord 3 beats. So it will be like this. I'm playing every beat at my right hand. 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3. And then we are going to play E chord for only just 1 beat. Okay, so we'll be like this. Start from C. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's move on. We're going to play next chord will be A minor for 2 beats and then goes to D. Okay, A minor is not very difficult, but on the D chord, make sure you will mute the 6th string, the lowest string. So it will sound like this. Just put your thumb beside the string, so it will sounds like a mute sound. Okay, next chord we will play F. And it's fine to play the first string, which is an E. It will sound like F major 7. Still fine. So this chord is totally fine. So we're going to play F for 2 beats and then goes to G again. Also 2 beats. Okay. These chords makes up 4 bars, first 4 bars of the song. So the first 4 bars will sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, E, A minor, D, F, G. The next 4 bars will be exactly the same. So we're going to repeat these 4 bars again. I'll play it again. 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, E, A minor, D, F, G. Okay, this is part of the verse. So before we go to the chorus, there is a small pre-chorus in this song. The chorus is a little bit different from the verse. So on the pre-chorus, we're going to play A minor. And the next chord will be a little bit harder. We're going to play A minor 7. Make sure you play with the correct fingering. And then going to play A minor 7. And then we're going to play F sharp minor 7 flat 5. All these 4 chords for 2 beats, so it will sound like this. A minor 2, A minor major 7 2, A minor 7 2, F sharp minor 7 flat 5 for 2 beats. Next, we're going to play F for 2 beats. F, minor 7 for 2 beats also. And we're going to play G chord for 4 beats. 2, 3, 4. Minor 7, F sharp minor 7 flat 5, and then F, D minor, G for 4 beats. Next, we're going to play the chorus. The first chord of the chorus will be C for 2 beats, and then we go to F for 2 beats as well. And then we're going to play E for 2 beats, and then A minor for 2 beats as well. And then we're going to play D minor 7 for 2 beats, and then G, and then C, and then G. So these are the first 4 bars of the chorus. I'll play it again. C, F, E, and A minor, D minor, G, C, G. And we're going to play these 4 bars for exactly the same, and like repeat again. When we end the song, we play C for 4 beats. 2, 3, 4. Instead of C, C, G, G. So that's the only difference between the first 4 bars and the second 4 bars. I'll demonstrate again for the chorus. So the first 4 bars. Second 4. So these are the verse and chorus of 流星雨, a very beautiful song and popular song. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you.